Asha here from Pandamonium. We are at the rest area still. Just getting my day started, but we should be getting on the road soon. I'm just trying to transfer some files over to the computer so I can start all fresh. I feel hoarse today. I think I need to go ahead and drink some lemon water. Ooh, lemon water. Ah, so refreshing. Yeah, she likes to,
she's a lizard.
Sunday. Yeah, like a lizard, she does.
She's a lizard.
You lizard!
Lizard dog.
Desert, I don't know how the trees attack you. Through a lemon.
Looks like that qualifies for it, but
Well, it was a little teensy branch, whatever. Yeah, Ross is messing with last night and it won't let me. This is down here, and it's still, I think that was flooded to you. Oh, maybe this is turned on. Yeah, oh, there you go. Did you get the duties of taking the dog to go poo-poo?
Yes.
Wonderful. Everybody has already left. I am the last straggler of the tribe. We know where we're going to, and I actually just downloaded a new app which is called Telegram. Romeo told us about it, so we can all communicate that way. It's a really easy way to communicate, so we can keep in touch and figure out what's going on. So that's awesome. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and hit the road. Since I'm the last one, we are headed to Deming. That is our halfway point, and then from there going to Las Cruces. Onward Bound. Welcome to New Mexico. They must have a lot of dust storms here because this is the third time I've seen this. In a dust storm, pull off roadway, turn off vehicle, feet off brakes, and last one, stayed buckled. Yeah, so I guess it's a common occurrence here. Fortunately, we don't have a dust storm going on right now. It's a beautiful day today. All right, let's continue on. Divide. We're getting ready to go to a rest area right here. The elevation here is 4,585 feet. I'm sure it's pretty chilly out there. No, not too bad actually. Ooh, cool. Very northwestern looking rest area. It's pretty cool. The landscape out here is very beautiful. Just open fields with mountains in the distance. And we are 30 miles exactly from Deming, which is our stopping point. Then, like I said, we're gonna rest there for a little bit and then head on to Las Las Cruces, which is not that much further from that, I don't think. I think it's like another 50 miles maybe. So that shouldn't be too bad. Train. Well, that's a long one. It just goes on and on. Wow, look at these roads. Not that great. A little patchy. Moo-moo! What's a sleepy monster? Stretch laziness. Look, tumbleweed. Oh shoot, I'm gonna hit. No, I missed it. That's like the 12th tumbleweed I've seen on this road since getting into New Mexico. Oh, there goes that car hit one. Since getting into New Mexico. Wow, that's a big rig right there. Oh, look at all the cows out there. God, I hadn't seen cows in a while. Well, that's cool. Free range. Well, that's a big looking tower. Wow, a lot of advertisings for bowling. Oh, there goes. Saw another tumbleweed. There's a lot of advertising for this bowling or bowling. So look how dark that mountain is in the distance, but that one right there looks like it's made out of sand. Because it's the sand color. Looks like a big pile of sand. But the mountains around it are really dark. It's just weird. Dust storms next 15 miles. We're still going east on 10. There's that mountain, a little closer view. Oops. Deming is 13. Las Cruces 66. El Paso 115. This is the third train that I've seen. It's pretty long. Must be a busy line here. Gotta get the supplies there. Moo, more cows. Not you, Moo-moo, sorry. And here's our exit. It's exit 82A here in Deming. Dana, Steve, and the kids are over there. Terry and Scott are over there as well. Romeo, Ross, Danny, and myself are over here. There's just more room. You're in what?
Witness protection.
We're gonna go in and do some shopping in Walmart, I guess. What are you looking at? Oh, are you trying to crunch into how celery sounds when you crunch on it? Bye, Moo-moo. Be good. I'll be back. Speaking of the devils, here comes two of them. What are you eating?
I like the Hamster Source Rex series. I'm into the...
Oh, that's not weird. I thought actually, the reason why I asked is because I thought that said Hamstersaurus sex.
Oh, that's something entirely, that's not in the story.
Yeah. How's that wind?
What?
How's that wind?
It's windy. Extra windy.
Looks like a sandstorm is coming in. We saw it over there in the distance. The wind's kind of strong out there. Well, we just got back on the road. We are 54 miles away from Las Cruces. Alki, or whatever, was 17. Oh my god, look at that. Don't hit it. Oh, okay, I hit it just a little bit. Those things are pretty hard, the tumbleweeds. Anyways, we're heading there and going to Barnes & Noble's just to do some shopping. Terry and Scott already went there, and we'll wait to hear from them because they were supposed to be scoping out and seeing if they can find a spot for all of us to be or park for the night. The wind is really strong, so try not to go too fast, but also keep up with the tribe. So, like I said, Terry and Scott had already left early, but the rest of us are just now leaving. There's about 6 vehicles in this convoy. We haven't been traveling together, but we did decide to go ahead and travel together here. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, we'll continue on.
One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see
Barnes and Nobles. So we have made it to the mall. So we had talked to the management and security here at the mall, and they actually said that we could stay here. Ross had saw a sign. I saw the one that said no boondocking, or I mean overnight camping, and he said he saw under that it said unless you ask. So we did ask, and they said we could. Look at the crazy ones back there. Lord have mercy. Anyways, yeah, so we are going to stay here the night. They said we couldn't stay in this part. We actually had to park by JCPenney's, but hey, it'll work. There's the crazy kids. Yeah, I can't hear you. What are you saying? Hello? What? This is what some of the adults do here. So yeah, I'm just trying to get some editing done, and then I think we're gonna go eat at the food court. Yay, work.
Let's find Fred.
Who's behind that big panda head?
There's someone singing in the bathroom so beautifully.
So what did you get?
Bourbon chicken, beef and broccoli, steamed rice, and that's patatas.
Oh, that's looks good. And it's Chinese, right?
Yeah, it's from the Chinese Gourmet Express.
So we ended up getting Japanese, which is right behind us back there. What'd you get, girl?
Oh, I got a California roll.
Okay. And I got some beef, no, chicken and shrimp. Which one is it? Oh. Thank you. Oh my God, that's so much food. Wow. All right, time to enjoy. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hopefully I'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Love y'all.
One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk by two out the door. There you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk by two out the door. There you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk by two out the door. There you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk by two out the door. There you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk by two out the door.